beat my meat. About to beat my meat. About to beat my meat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yuki 𝗦𝗏. So today, like, I don't really know what I want to do. Bitch, I'm out of breath. Anyways, so I did get like this little organizer in the mail that I ordered or whatever. I think I told y'all that I ordered some stuff. But like, this is it. Like these organizers, but I won't be doing it like this. I'm just gonna put like two going straight up. I can't even see. Oh my god. So y'all gonna just sit with me, whatever, while I put this up.
Yeah, bitch.
Bullshit. I'll probably put like my purses and stuff in here. You know, like it's a cute like little like wannabe like display case or whatever. And I also like probably put my little perfume. Why they sent me this little ass little. What am I supposed to do with this? I don't need this. Probably gonna like organize this and I'm gonna come back to y'all because you know my phone is like tripping. So. Okay, so I'm done putting this up, and, you know, putting like little cute stuff in here for display. So I think I'm gonna show you what I did. Baby, go work your body. Okay guys, so I finished that, you know, yeah. Okay, so Alexa would not shut up. I told this bitch turn the music off. She wouldn't turn the music off. So I just had to get into it with her real quick. But you know, this is it. This is done. But you know, I just don't want to end the video with me just putting this organizer. This is me just trying to bond my little subscribers. You know, I'm getting comfortable, obviously. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Period.